Today, we will be discussing how to assemble sidewind roller guides on a Series 20,000 hose reel. First, unbox your roller guide assembly and make sure all the pieces are there. To begin assembling the roller guides, insert the vertical rollers and bolts through the guide arms. Once assembled, mount the guide arms to the appropriate holes in the base using the supplied hardware. Next, secure the threaded rod with a clamp near its center. It is normal for the thread to get slightly damaged during this step, but it will be covered by the roller. Thread the jam nut onto the rod approximately 1 inch from the end. Next, slide the threaded rod into a roller, then insert it into the holes on the guide arm. Place a rubber washer over the threaded rod on the outside of the roller and install the acorn nut. Next, install the jam nut on the threaded rod. Repeat this process for the remaining rollers. Place a rubber washer over the threaded rod and install the acorn nut. Last, install the remaining jam nut on the threaded rod. Using a wrench, hold the jam nut in place and tighten the acorn nut until the jam nut tightens up to the guide arm bracket. Now you're ready to use your sidewind roller guides on your Series 20,000 hose reel. For more how-to videos, visit Reelcraft.com.